Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the FlexSolar 100W solar panel charger, a foldable solar panel kit that can charge your power stations, laptops, phones, and other devices with solar energy. This product is perfect for outdoor camping, hiking, fishing, or any situation where you need a reliable and eco-friendly power source. The FlexSolar 100W solar panel charger has a high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, which means it can produce more power in less time. It has a 20-28V DC port that can connect to most power stations, such as Jackery, Rockpals, Flashfish, and more. It also has a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and a QC 3.0 port that can charge your devices directly with fast and stable output. The solar panel charger has a smart chip that can detect the optimal current for each device and prevent overcharging, overheating, or short circuit. The FlexSolar 100W solar panel charger is very easy to use and carry. It has a foldable design that can fit in your backpack or suitcase. It weighs only 2.6 kilograms and has a handle for convenient transportation. It also has 4 metal eyelets that allow you to hang it on a tent, a tree, or any other place where it can receive enough sunlight. The solar panel charger is made of durable and waterproof material that can withstand harsh weather conditions. It also has a built-in kickstand that can adjust the angle of the solar panel to get the maximum solar exposure. The FlexSolar 100W solar panel charger is a great product for anyone who loves outdoor adventures and wants to have a green and reliable power source. It can charge your power stations, laptops, phones, and other devices with solar energy, saving you money and protecting the environment. It is easy to use, foldable, lightweight, and durable. It is compatible with most power stations and devices, and has multiple ports and a smart chip for safe and fast charging. It is one of the best solar panel chargers on the market, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in buying the FlexSolar 100W solar panel charger, you can click on the link that is in the video description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.